Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today was basically, if we go to the live account, today was essentially one of those days where I just played it defensively. And so what happened was I took a short here, but I got a little bit nervous that the price might see some follow through and push to the upside, because price was trending pretty bullish. So I faded it about here, and what happened was the first trade I actually closed it out too early, because I thought it may continue to go higher. So I actually entered here. I entered here, and then it went higher, and then I closed it and took a loss for about $75 gross. Then I waited for this candle, and then once I was on this candle, I took a market order. My first order was a limit order. My second order, I took a market order in, just to take advantage of this move down. Usually after a long candle, you'll see some retracement. So so I did that, and I actually got to recoup the whole $75 loss. But again, I was too hesitant to stay in the trade for longer to see this profit here. And so because of that, my actually P&L turned out to be $0. So it's minus commission. We're looking at, for tomorrow's balances, probably be $13.20, because and profits, or sorry, commissions are about $4.20 the round trip. So it's going to be $13.20, probably 10 cents tomorrow's balance. Yeah, so it was a flat day. It was one of those days where basically I played it pretty risk averse, but nevertheless the trade plan was trade entry was actually on point, because if I stayed in the trade longer, it would have worked out actually pretty nicely. So we were looking at 37.50 to, I got it in at 51, so that's like 20 points right there. But again, well, 16 is the close of the New York market, and so usually I don't hold after close. I just close it right before then. So if we're actually gonna look where I would have closed if I had stayed in longer, most likely it will be around 45.50 to where I got in, which was around 50. So went for 5 points actually, but I closed it for 1.75, which is in dollar value about no, sorry, not 1.75. Actually, yes, it is 1.7, which in dollar value is about $75. So again, I did leave some money on the table, but again, you can't really judge in hindsight. So it is what it is. As far as Forex goes, again, I had no trades today on Forex, because my schedule's been really busy these past few weeks. So I just focus on one market, and I just been focusing on futures, and so it is what it is. That's basically today's action. I'm pretty flat. Nothing glamorous to report on, but it actually is The highlights will serve as a good reminder of days where you will just be protecting your capital versus growing it. So it's one of those days where staying level-headed is actually more important than aiming for profits, at least in my opinion. So I hope you guys enjoyed the highlights. I'll leave them right after this, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. I should get in another trade in tomorrow, and then we'll see what happens. Okay, thank you, and have a good day, evening, afternoon, whatever time zone you're in. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.